Wow, can you guess how much weight this module transport truck is hauling with these concrete blocks? It's incredibly heavy. Company ALE, as they delivered a 174-ton turbine to Ferrybridge Power Station. Utilizing a Fawn J71 WRE and a 7-bed, 7-drawbar trailer, they expertly navigated from Gould Docks to the power station. The meticulous coordination and engineering prowess left spectators in awe, showcasing ALE's unmatched capability in handling monumental loads. Wow, witnessing the Scania 112 Tattoo tackle the Camino Pinar de los Rios in Calamuchita, Cordoba is awe-inspiring. For those who doubt its prowess, try handling 45 tons on those rugged roads. Hats off to Daniel and his expert driving. This beast showcases the brilliance of its Soviet-era designers and engineers. Pure respect. It's absolutely incredible to witness the massive white tank being transported through Dechin. The sheer scale of this excess load is mind-blowing. 67.2 meters long, 5.8 meters wide, 7.55 meters high, and a whopping 398 tons. ALE's got that vintage vibe going on with those old truck cabs on the dollies. It's like a throwback to the good old days, but with a modern twist. And check out those power packs lashed together with ratchet straps. It's a little bit Heath Robinson, but hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. This video proves that ALE's got the perfect blend of old school ingenuity and modern heavy hauling muscle. That is a tight turn. Witnessing two Iraq's trucks in Dubai handle the heavy haulage for a solar park was truly astonishing. The Al Ferris Group tackled the colossal task of transporting 10 massive tanks across the city, relying on two powerful Iraq's trucks capable of hauling up to 250 tons. With 240 tires on the trailer and 30 axles times 8, Mercedes proved its unmatched excellence once again. This ain't your average delivery truck. Hunish is hauling not one, but two massive loads from Serov to Sudomyazhitz. These things are huge, with the larger one clocking in at 96 tons. It's like watching a pair of elephants on wheels. Hunish is showing off their heavy hauling muscle, navigating these behemoths through tight spaces and challenging terrain. This is what happens when engineering meets pure power. In the midst of a huge downpour, Marine One lifted off for a flight to Delaware. The takeoff was as smooth as it gets. Kudos to the pilot who rose, hovered, rotated in place, and then departed with precision. No extra moves, no shortcuts, just a flawless, gentle ascent. Bet the president hardly felt a thing. that monster of an abnormal load navigating those narrow Welsh lanes. It's like threading a needle with a semi-truck. Allaless haulage is showing off some serious skills here, maneuvering that beast with the precision of a surgeon. They're not just moving cargo, they're defying the laws of physics. Collette & Sons, heavy haulage in Halifax transported an air-liquide tank down the A34 in Stone, Staffordshire, with expert precision. While Staffordshire police did an excellent job managing the operation, traffic congestion was inevitable, and the vehicles behind had to crawl along at a snail's pace. This video is a masterclass in engineering and logistics. The way Universal Transport coordinates the movement of these massive tanks is like a symphony orchestra, with every instrument playing its part perfectly. The specialized trailers, the meticulously planned routes, the synchronized movements. It's a testament to their expertise and dedication. They're not just moving cargo, they're orchestrating a masterpiece. Wow, watching a heavy haul truck leave the port of Tucson with a 427,000 lb transformer is a sight to behold. It's like those jokes men make about their wife's vacation suitcase weighing nearly that much. What a colossal load. The Medema 230 trailer is a beast in the field. With a massive capacity of 22.4 Marriott 3 and a load capacity of 24,000 km, it's built for heavy-duty hauling. Features like hydraulic suspension, electronic, hydraulic force steering, and hydraulic braking on all wheels ensure smooth operation and control. The Megasquirt Air Blast Sprayer is a 200-gallon engine-driven sprayer designed to be pulled by small tow vehicles that might not have a PTO output, such as UTVs and RTVs. Its compact design helps it fit in tight row spacings, and the optional walking beam axles can help prevent ground compaction. The Monchero VL08 shaker is engineered for precision. Its high-frequency vibrating head and thoughtful design features ensure minimal fruit damage and maximum yield. A must-have for anyone looking to streamline orchard operations with state-of-the-art equipment. The Cocan 600T is a self-propelled rear-load harvester with an aim to bring you berries at a hand-picking level. It is based on unique and proven Cocan airberry harvesting technology, along with a wide range of other features that harvest blueberries for fresh market and other berries for IQF. Number 1. Excavator KU800 from Unikovska Strojierny is an absolute behemoth. Standing at 52 meters tall and stretching over 170 meters long, weighing around 4,400 tons, which is equivalent to 131 Boeing 737s, this excavator is one of the largest self-propelled machines ever made. Its 12.6 meter diameter wheels are equipped with 15 buckets, each holding 1,000 liters. Simply incredible. The engineering behind this machine is astonishing. Imagine the power and precision needed to handle such a giant. It's designed to tackle the toughest excavation tasks with ease. Number 2. Hitachi EEX 8006. The Hitachi EX 8006 redefines heavy machinery with a weight of 837 tons. Standing tall at 10 meters and stretching 8 meters wide, it's essentially a mobile 3-story building. The EX 8006's massive 43 cubic meter bucket can scoop up earth, equivalent to 6 11-ton trucks in a single go. Its twin Cummins QSKT 60C engines, each pumping out 1,940 horsepower, ensure it moves mountains with ease. This is the future of excavation technology. Number 6, Komatsu 960E. Before being replaced by the 980E4, the 960E1 was Komatsu's largest and highest capacity cargo truck. This behemoth of a haul truck is equipped with a cutting-edge dual AC electric drive system powered by the Komatsu Cummins SSDA 18-Vol 175-18 engine, delivering a staggering 3,500 horsepower. Its ability to transport up to 360 short tons ensures farmers save time, effort, and costs while maintaining high product quality and boosting overall productivity. Number 7, Cat 798AC. The Cat 798AC electric drive truck hauls up to 410 tons with superior efficiency, controllability, and reliability. It's built to enhance productivity with a high payload capacity of up to 372 tons per load, high-speed capability on grades, and easier maintenance. Operators benefit from greater visibility thanks to the wide field of view from the cab and the radial retard grid that improves the right-hand view. And even has a separate section for the counterweight, ensuring maximum efficiency. This crane is perfect for those huge projects where you need the best of the best. Number 2, Komatsu 960E. Komatsu 960E, the heavyweight champion of mining trucks. This Japanese giant, launched in 1995, boasts a 290-ton payload and a robust 3,600 GP diesel engine. Its sheer size and power, measuring 15.6 m in length, 9.19 m in width, and 7.37 m in height, are truly awe-inspiring. Speeding at 63 kilometers per h, it's a marvel in mining machinery. Number 6, Bulk Cutter. The Bulk Cutter, the world's first deep-sea mineral extraction vehicle, is a true engineering marvel. Weighing over 300 tons, it stands as the heaviest unit ever built for underwater mining. Its cutter head is powered by an impressive 1.2 MW, delivered via an umbilical from the vessel. The design and engineering required to create a launch and recovery system for such a massive machine were unprecedented, resulting in a specialized ship-based cantilever system. Number 14, Tesmec Evo Surface Miner 975. Its ability to handle hard and abrasive rocks with ease, coupled with its innovative EVO technology, ensures maximum productivity. With a Cat C9, 3B engine and 375 GP, its ability to dig up to 35 centimeters deep and 290 centimeters wide, it's built for efficiency. Plus, the low ground pressure and advanced hydraulic features make it versatile and cost-effective. Number 15, Weiler B 758. Weiler B 758 track feller bunchers provide industry-leading lift capacity throughout full reach, a key benefit in large timber. With powertrain features, a Cat C9 engine certified to EPA Tier 3, primary, secondary, and tertiary fuel filters, including water separator. A robust undercarriage utilizes proven components, customized for demanding forestry conditions while maintaining industry-leading ground clearance. Number 16, Zoomlion QAA 2000. Zoomlion's QAA 2000 crane, first seen at Bauma, China 2012, has redefined heavy lifting. After passing rigorous tests, it lifted 750 tons at a 10-meter radius. Tailored for wind power construction, this crane includes groundbreaking features like a honeycomb frame structure and more than 80 patents. The QAI 2000 is a powerful testament to Zoomlion's innovative spirit. Witness the thrilling launch of Momola Defender by Daman Shipyards, an ultra tsunami-resistant marvel. The ship launching ceremony was charged with emotions as the 1,000-ton beast, tethered by a steel snake, hit the water. But the drama peaked when the port bow cable stretched to its limit. Dangerously taut, it could have caused serious harm. Did no one anticipate this risk before the grand splashdown? Number 15, Zoomlion Zat 24000H. The Zat 24000H by Zoomlion is truly a giant in the crane world. 22.5 m long, 3 m wide, and it can go on the road legally. With a 9-axle chassis and a 7-section telescopic main arm, it can handle 160-meter wind power installations like a pro. Fast 30-minute turbine lift time make this crane a must-have for big projects. Number 16, Mary Crusher MT700, one of the greatest crawler tractors on the market. It features a powerful 768 GP, 565 kilowatts, engine, and an extreme duty mechanical power takeoff, enabling it to work faster with lower fuel consumption per hectare, making it one of the most efficient crawler tractors available. Its hydrostatic drive allows for seamless speed adjustment from 0 to 18 kilometers per h, and the double-acting, independently controlled lift arms enable crusher leveling during operation. Number 17, XCMG XCA 1600. This crane can lift a staggering 1,600 tons and has a main boom length of 92.4 meters. The 480 kilowatts engine at 1,800 revolutions per minute ensures it performs flawlessly under heavy loads. Number 18, HMK 640WL. With a 4.2 cubic meters bucket capacity and 324 GP Mercedes engine, the HMK 640WL delivers high efficiency and low fuel consumption. The ROPS/FOPS certified cabin ensures safety and comfort for the operator. The 35-degree tilting feature and high breakout force make maintenance and operation a breeze. Plus, it's won international design awards. This thrilling video showcases the journey of a brand new CAT 657 from the dealership to its job site. This powerful scraper, equipped with a twin-engine system for superior productivity, is built for large-scale earth-moving projects. Inland Heavy Haul's meticulous planning and execution in moving this machine is more than just a delivery. It's a promise of unmatched efficiency and performance. Witness the stunning video by David Kralik, capturing Universal Transport's massive haul of nearly 400-ton tanks through a German city. Universal Transport, a heavyweight in heavy haulage, specializes in moving oversized loads with unparalleled precision. Their vast fleet and expertise ensure safe, efficient, and reliable transport, making them the go-to partner for complex projects worldwide. Whoa, this ain't your average tow truck situation. This is a 740-ton power plant generator being hauled like it's a kid's toy. Kyle Schwert Transport is flexing some serious muscle here. 58 axles working together to conquer that roundabout and creek crossing. This video is a testament to their commitment to safety, innovation, and excellence. They're not just moving cargo, they're setting the bar for the entire industry, no matter the weather. Northwest just completed an epic journey, transporting a 31-pound HP amine contactor tower over 1,040 miles of bridges, underpasses, and scenic Texas roads. This massive project also faced 2 tropical storms and 6 waterway lock systems over 13 days via intercoastal waterways to reach Port Victoria TX. With an overall length of 227.3 feet and a gross weight of 812,000 pounds, this operation was a true test of skill and determination. Stay tuned as the team conquers the final stage of this thrilling journey. Number 10, Hitachi EX 5500. Get to know the Hitachi EX 5500, a giant in the field of excavation and mining. This machine is equipped with a high-performance QSK 45C engine that produces 2,700 GP, paired with a bucket that can carry up to 40 cubic yards of material. It offers a max dig depth of 30 feet and a cutting height of 68 feet, making it versatile for a wide range of tasks. The EX 5500's hydraulic system holds 1,638 gallons of fluid, ensuring smooth operation. With a robust build and advanced features, this excavator is designed to boost productivity and efficiency on the job site. Number 11, Liebherr LTM 1500 8.1. The Liebherr LTM 1500 8.1 is a mobile crane that sets the standard. With a lifting radius of 50 meters and a reach of 70 meters, it's designed for maximum efficiency and power. Weighing 96,000 kilograms and powered by a 500 kilowatts diesel engine, this crane is perfect for heavy lifting jobs. Its debut at Bauma 1998 marked the beginning of a legacy of reliability and versatility. Number 12, seeing the ES6 45 in action is like watching a giant monster trying to crawl on the ground. Produced by the former Soviet Union, this massive machine weighs 688 tons and stretches an incredible 70 meters long. It's no wonder they made it a walking excavator. Any regular wheels would be a joke on this beast. Number 3, bucket chain excavator, RK5000. The RK5000 bucket chain excavator is a true giant in the world of heavy machinery. Built in 1983 in Československa, this beast weighs over 5,600 tons and requires 6 operators to function. Its sheer size and power are mind-blowing, with the ability to shift 4,450 cubic meters of overburden per hour. Unlike other excavators that use Caterpillar tracks, the RK5000 walks on feet, adding to its unique appeal. Watching it in action is like seeing a piece of history come alive. Number 4, Liebherr T282. The Liebherr T282 is a luxury off-highway haul truck with a rigid frame, 2 axles, a diesel-electric engine, and an AC drive system. It is designed and manufactured in the United States by Liebherr Mining Equipment Company. The truck has a payload capacity of up to 330 metric tons, 360 short tons, and is specifically built for high-productivity mining applications worldwide. Horsepower. Number 10, the John Deere 1050K dozer is built for heavy-duty performance. With 350 GP and a 32 cubic yard blade, it's perfect for large-scale projects. The hydrostatic transmission system cuts down on material loss and adjusts torque and speed on the fly. A true testament to John Deere's engineering excellence. Number 1, the XGC 88,000 crawler crane is a monster of a machine. With a lifting capacity between 3,600 and 4,000 tons and a maximum boom length of 144 meters, it's the largest track crane in the world. It's powered by three 641 kilowatts US Cummins engine. That's one massive Komatsu mining dump truck. This ain't your average pickup truck hauling a lawnmower. Centurion Transport is flexing some serious muscle here with their Kenworth T909, navigating this behemoth through tight spaces and busy highways. This thing is a beast, ready to chew up and spit out dirt on the job site. The snow-covered, slippery ground presents a real challenge for drivers. Dang, that demethanizer is a beast. 186 feet long and weighing 270 tons? That's like hauling a small cruise ship down the highway. This is a 653-mile journey through the rugged Rocky Mountains, hauling a 1.2 million pound load through steep grades and harsh winter conditions. And check out that convoy. 4 trucks, each with 600 horsepower, working together to conquer that 7%. Number 7, Liebherr T284. The Liebherr T284 mining truck is an engineering masterpiece. Designed to handle the toughest mining conditions, this truck can carry a payload of 363 tons, making it one of the most capable mining trucks in the world. Its massive size, with dimensions of 15.7 meters long, 7.4 meters wide, and 9.7 meters high, is impressive. The MTU DDC engine, with 20 cylinders and a weight of 10.4 tons, produces 3,600 horsepower and a torque of 14,457 nanometers, ensuring it can handle any load. The T284 also boasts reduced fuel consumption, making it both powerful and efficient. Number 3, Liebherr 996. The Liebherr R996B. This excavator is built to handle the toughest conditions, from minus 50 degrees Celsius in the Arctic to the blazing heat of Australian mines. Weighing 676 tons and powered by 2 Cummins K 1800 EE engines with a combined output of 3000 GP, it's a true behemoth. The R996B features a bucket capacity of 36 cubic meters and a shovel capacity of 34 cubic meters, making it an excellent match for the Liebherr T264 mining truck. Number 4, Terex RH170. The Terexo and KRH170, a marvel of engineering prowess. Uncover its capabilities with a maximum digging depth of 22.97 feet and the strength of 24 cylinders. Featuring a substantial 1,664.3 gallon fuel tank and a hydraulic system capacity of 792.6 gallons. It guarantees uninterrupted operation. Its steady 4.7 revolutions per minute rotation speed and swift 1.62 miles per hour movement make it a force to reckon with in the world of excavation. Number 5, AGCO Challenger MT 975B. AGCO's Challenger MT 975B is a farming powerhouse. This tractor boasts over 600 GP and a maximum weight of 27 T, making it the most powerful production tractor out there. Its 18.1-liter engine and 1,500-liter fuel tank are ready for the toughest jobs. With the industry's widest and heaviest frame, it's built to last and handle the biggest tasks with ease. Number 5. Tribine T1000. The Tribine T1000 represents the pinnacle of harvesting technology. With a capacity of 1,000 bushels and an unloading rate of over 500 bushels per minute, this machine significantly reduces the need for grain carts, saving you time and labor costs. Its ability to operate for 24 hours straight without refueling is a game changer, allowing you to make the most of every harvest season. This is a must-have for large-scale farming operations looking to maximize productivity. Number 17, Big Bud 950. The Big Bud 950/50th is back and better than ever, thanks to a rebuild by Big Equipment Company. Upgraded from a Big Bud 525/50th, it now features a Cat 3508 engine, delivering 950 GP. With Goodyear DT 930 tires and a weight of around 40 tons, this tractor is designed for heavy-duty farming. Its automatic steering system ensures precision and efficiency, making it a top choice for farmers looking to maximize productivity. Number 18, ACO 600 UBAS. ACO 600 UBAS, Africa's biggest tractor. Built in 1994 by Alf and Koos Koetser, it's sad that the ACO factory closed, but the legacy of these tractors lives on, with a 25-ton base weight and a V12 ADE 444 Ti engine producing 820 GP. This machine was designed to handle the toughest jobs. Number 19, Queen Mary 2. Did you know the Queen Mary 2 cost around $300,000 per berth to build? That's a testament to its luxury and quality. Designed for transatlantic crossings, it's built with 40% more steel for durability and stability. With a top speed of over 30 knots and a cruising speed of 26 knots, she's faster than most cruise ships. The integrated electric propulsion system using diesel engines and gas turbines is a technological masterpiece. Number 20, PR 776 Latronic. The Liebherr PR 776 Latronic Crawler Dozer, the ultimate machine for tough jobs like ripping, transporting materials, and grading. It has an operating weight of up to 73,189 kilograms and a blade capacity of 22 cubic meters. The heart of this beast is a 565 kilowatts, 12-cylinder engine, providing a massive 768 GP. With all Liebherr components working in harmony, this dozer offers unparalleled reliability and efficiency. Number 11, massive SGC 250. The SGC 250 by Sarens redefines heavy lifting with its colossal capacity and innovative design. With a jaw-dropping maximum load moment of 250,000 metric tons and the ability to lift 5,000 tons, this crane sets new standards in heavy lifting. Its flexibility, with a main boom extendable up to 160 M and jib up to 100 M, ensures it's ready for any job. Number 8, Alma Transporter Alma's Otto and Lore redefine precision and power in astronomical technology. With 500 kilowatts engines driving each wheel, these transporters effortlessly handle slopes and altitudes to deliver Alma's 100-ton antenna exactly where needed. Supporting cryogenic systems on board, they ensure uninterrupted operations at 5,000 M altitude, securing the clarity and quality of every observation. Number 9, Terex 33 Titan, the world's largest truck for 25 years. Only one was built as a prototype, and after 13 years of service, Titan retired to become a display piece. Manufactured by General Motors' Terex division in 1973, the Titan was assembled in London, Ontario, Canada. It has a payload capacity of 350 tons and an empty weight of 231 tons, totaling 600 tons when fully loaded. At full load, it can reach a speed of 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per h. The Titan is powered by a 16-cylinder diesel engine with 3,300... Wow, the K700 is the most brilliant tractor ever. As a kid, I watched it roar through the fields of the GDR, its turbo whistling and exhaust smoking. Who knew Johnny could sync it so perfectly? One hand on the wheel, the other on his cell phone, and he nailed it. Check out peak oilfield service, maneuvering a massive Doyen drilling rig around a tight corner with finesse. With over 40 years of experience, these guys know how to get the job done right. Whoa! Witness the incredible sight of a 500,000-pound superload component being expertly maneuvered down Tussing Ard in Columbus, Ohio on July 14, 2024. Hats off to Edwards Heavy Haul for their impressive professionalism in handling this massive task. Wow. Watching that Scania 113 navigate the dirty, slippery quarry road was intense. It needed a tractor to get through. The truck's owner clearly takes impeccable care of it. That 113 is pure gold. It must have been heartbreaking to see it struggle. What a stunning machine. God willing, I'll have one like it someday, perfectly equipped to my liking. Number 12, Ploeger at 5,104. The Ploeger at 5,104 is an excellent addition to any large farm. With its 22 cubic meters polyester tank and integrated slosh baffles, it's designed for efficiency. The 8 loading arms 160-degree reach is impressive, and the Borger pump with Vogelsong cutter ensures optimal slurry flow. Precision farming integration is a huge plus. Number 13, K-Tech 1263 AADT. The K-Tech 1263 ADT is the world's largest pull pan scraper, designed for massive earth-moving tasks. With its massive 63 cubic yard capacity and efficient cycle times, it's perfect for large-scale projects. The bolt-together design and push block add to its functionality. Number 14, prosthesis. Jonathan Tippett has taken human-machine interaction to the next level with prosthesis. A 3.96 m tall, 5.1 m long, 5.51 m wide exoskeleton made of chromoline. So inspiring to see prosthesis bag a Guinness World Record. Jonathan Tippett's prosthesis is not just a machine, it's a whole new sport. The sheer size and power of this exoskeleton, combined with its reliance on human piloting, is a testament to physical mastery and technological advancement. Witness the extraordinary Scania S770 from Lau Kirchhoff, a cement screed floor specialist, captured in action at a construction site in Deventer, the Netherlands. This impressive machine showcases the perfect blend of power and precision in a high-stakes environment. Do you know what country this is in? What is that big thing they are carrying going to be used for? Please comment below. But I'm really worried about this heavy transport. It's very chaotic. Watching the unloading platform in action was a wild sight. A box truck full of potatoes being emptied without an automatic dump truck system. Unloading floor dump trucks are versatile, designed for flour, feed, potatoes, fruit juices, and raw materials. Number 8, Komatsu PC 1250. The Komatsu PC 1250, your ultimate solution for heavy-duty jobs. Boasting a 514 kilowatts engine and a 6.7 cubic meters bucket, it's built tough to handle deep digging up to 5,025 mm and wide reaches of 3,000 mm. Whether it's clearing construction sites or extracting minerals, this machine delivers unmatched performance and endurance. Number 9, the Caterpillar D10 bulldozer, manufactured between 1977 and 1987, was a game changer in its time. With 700 horsepower, it was the most powerful track-type tractor ever built. Its elevated drive sprocket improved durability and operator comfort. It could handle a massive 19-foot U-blade and weighed in at 180,000 pounds. Number 13, Homer T440. Power, efficiency, and sustainability come together in the Homer T440 Beat Lifter. Its 652 GP Mercedes engine and wide conveyors ensure high productivity, while the Smart Drive system offers ease of use. Lighter than its competitors, it minimizes soil impact and maximizes performance. With a 45 cubic meters tank and quick discharge, it's designed to handle large-scale beet harvesting with ease and reliability. In a dramatic display of engineering prowess, a temporary iron bridge costing Rs 4 crore was constructed in just 10 days inside the Narmada Canal on the Tharadvav Highway, Gujarat. This bridge, built to handle two colossal, machinery-laden vehicles, groaned under the weight and danger as they passed over it. Wow, those heavy trucks charging into the river with a spectacular splash. Aussie truckers are truly a different breed. It's amazing what they do out in the outback. How did he back that up for a second try? What do you think? Comment below.
drifted with.
This was probably the toughest route this heavy-duty driver had ever faced. Navigating through quicksand was incredibly challenging, but thankfully, a powerful cat bulldozer came to the rescue. Rameshwar Transport is navigating a massive ODC consignment through Burmese Rajasthan. This equipment is absolutely colossal, weighing hundreds of tons. The scene is intense and chaotic, highlighting a pressing need to optimize security and traffic flow. Wow, witness the precision as a damaged Panzerhaubitze 2000 is expertly pushed by the Bergepisa 3 Buffel onto the SLT Monmouth for transport during the Quadriga Battalion exercise of Artillerie Lehr Bataillon 345. Impressive millimeter work. Wow, watching the ZIL 135LM tackle tractor pulling in Perleberg, Germany 2024 is nothing short of exhilarating. This powerhouse, originally built to navigate any terrain, execute combat missions, and carry tactical missiles up to 70 km with various warheads, shows off its rugged capabilities. Absolutely thrilling. This video captures the exciting journey of a Caterpillar 390F, from the Empire Machinery rental lot to its new home on a job site. It's a testament to Barco Trucking's meticulous planning and execution. They're not just moving a machine, they're delivering a promise of productivity and power. Watch the extreme skills in action as an oversized lorry load navigates a roundabout. With one lead heavy haulage truck and 4 more at the rear, presumably for brakes, this abnormal load, a massive turbine, is the first of 3 being transported from Newport Docks to Hirwaun Power Station in South Wales. It's a jaw-dropping scene as this colossal load maneuvers through the valleys and roundabouts of South Wales with precision and expertise. Witness the majestic scene of ship spotting as 300-meter-long crude oil tankers make their way to Russian ports from the Dardanelles. This critical strait remains a key route for Russian crude oil exports despite Western obstructionism. grade. Northwest Logistics Heavy Haul is the real deal, proving that they can handle even the most challenging oversized loads. Collect Transport showcased their expertise by hauling a 190-ton transformer on a 14-row setup with 3 pusher trucks, bringing the total weight to a staggering 400 tons. Despite wet conditions, narrow gravel roads, rough terrain, and steep slopes, they navigated the challenging route with impressive precision and skill. This video captures the exciting journey of a Caterpillar 390F from the Empire Machinery rental lot to its new home on a job site. It's a testament to Barco Trucking's meticulous planning and execution. They're not just moving a machine, they're delivering a promise of productivity and power. Watch the extreme skills in action as an oversized lorry load navigates a roundabout. With 1 lead heavy haulage truck and 4 more at the rear, presumably for brakes, this abnormal load, a massive turbine, is the first of 3 being transported from Newport Docks to Hirwaun Power Station in South Wales. It's a jaw-dropping scene as this colossal load maneuvers through the valleys and roundabouts of South Wales with precision and expertise. Witness the majestic scene of ship spotting as 300-meter-long crude oil tankers make their way to Russian ports from the Dardanelles. This critical strait remains a key route for Russian crude oil exports despite Western obstructionism. This ain't your average delivery truck. Hunish is hauling not 1, but 2 massive loads from Serov to Sudomyazhitsk. These things are huge, with the larger one clocking in at 96 tons. It's like watching a pair of elephants on wheels. Hunish is showing off their heavy hauling muscle, navigating these behemoths through tight spaces and challenging terrain. This is what happens when engineering meets pure power. Wow, 30 breathtaking seconds of the 2023 truck race at Convoy in the Park. Witness the BTRC Big Crash. It might just be more thrilling than F1.